Plant scientists have been using this to speed up germination for decades. It's cheap, it takes about 10 minutes to make, and almost nobody growing food at home knows it exists. It's called smoke water, and no, that's not a metaphor. When plant material burns, dried leaves, straw, dry grass clippings, the smoke carries a family of compounds called karrikins. In nature, rain washes them into the soil after a fire passes through. Seeds sitting in the ground detect them and read it as a signal. The land just cleared. Light is coming back. Now is the time. Researchers have tested this on over 1,300 plant species, including common vegetables and herbs, tomatoes, cucumbers, lavender. The effect keeps showing up. Treated seeds germinate faster and at higher rates than untreated ones. This isn't garden folklore. There are several decades of peer-reviewed research behind it. You need almost nothing. A small jar, water, dried plant material, leaves, straw, dried grass clippings, all work. One thing to avoid, anything treated with chemicals, painted wood, treated timber, anything synthetic. You're making something your seeds are going to sit in. Keep it plant-based, keep it clean. Light a small handful of your dried material and let it smolder. You want smoke more than flame, a slow burn, not a blaze. Hold your jar of water in the smoke for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the smoke collect into it. The water will shift to a faint yellow or amber color. That's what you're after. That's the karrikins going in. Now, and this part is where it matters, dilute it. Quite a lot, actually. Concentrated smoke water can work against you. High concentrations can inhibit germination instead of helping it. And the research is fairly consistent on this. The working range is somewhere around 1 part smoke water to 10 parts plain water, roughly. You don't need to be exact, but lean toward more water, not less. Soak your seeds in the diluted mix for about 6 hours. Somewhere between 6 and 12 is fine for most seeds. Don't push much past 12. One study found that extended soaking started reversing the benefit in certain species. 6 to 8 hours is a reasonable target. Then plant them straight away. Don't let them dry out and sit around waiting. Fair warning, results vary. This works especially well for seeds that are naturally stubborn or slow. Lavender, tomatoes, anything that usually makes you wait 3 weeks and wonder if anything's happening. For seeds that already germinate fast and reliably, the effect is smaller. The source material matters too, apparently. Dried leaves and grasses tend to outperform dense wood, which can release compounds that push things the wrong direction. Stick to soft, dry plant matter. But for seeds you've tried twice and written off, make a jar of smoke water and give them one more go. You'll check the tray on day 3 and there's a root already pushing out, and you'll feel genuinely annoyed that nobody mentioned this earlier.